headed down the coal approaching Delta over to Charlie.
84 Yankee, fully established 7 miles.
Roger. Side 39 Foxtrot, turn left, heading 100 degrees, and set the localizer from the left, 17 from touchdown, report established number 2.
Left in 100 degrees, report established number 2, it's flight 39.
4 Yankee, continue now tower, 119.7.
Tower 119.7, 84 Yankee, next we have.
Rescue 5, pass message.
Rescue 5, position on the fire station, permission to enter taxiway Delta to C2 Alpha 2 to meet up with the snow team.
Rescue 5, roger, proceed via taxiway Delta, report with the snow team.
Rescue 5, roger, proceed via Delta.
Town Foxtrot, roger, descend the ILS, QNH 1010. Currently number 2, you're following a 737 that's currently on a 4.5 mile flight.
Good evening again, Thompson 84 Yankee.
Roger, continue
5 miles runway.
QNH 1010.
84 Yankee, Newcastle Tower, hello again. Clear to land runway 07, surface wind 310 degrees 10 knots.
Clear land, Thompson 84 Yankee.
Tower from Snow Leader.
No, team leader, pass message.
Yeah, after the land in Thompson, have we got a window of opportunity on the runway?
No, team leader, there's 3 inbounds, or 3 sequenced inbounds, and we're going to aim to get those 3 down under this current window, and then I'll give you a call.
Roger, that's understood, thanks.
Tower EC 53 Delta.
EC 53 Delta, pass message.
Hi, what's the plan for the runway at the moment?
EC 53 Delta, we've got 3 inbound sequence for landing for 07 at this time, and at the minute the contamination is down at 1 to 2 mils. Once the 3 are down, we'll look to get the ploughs back on. We will be closing, but we'll also try and get the ploughs back on just to try and lower any contamination that's on there, notwithstanding any further snowfall.
Okay, you don't know how long you'll be closing for?
We'll try not to close, that's the idea. We'll try not to close, we'll try and just get the ploughs on in between movements, and if people are happy and can take the parameters, i.e. with 1 to 2 mils, then we'll try and get as many movements as possible.
Okay, thanks very much.
Tower Rescue 5's position now at Alpha 2 with the snow team.
Rescue 5, roger.
39 Foxtrot, you're now number 1, continue with tower 119.7.
Tower 119.7 is flight 39 Foxtrot, thanks.
Thompson 84 Yankee, Vicket, left at the end, taxi holding point Delta 8.
Thompson 84 Yankee, we're sliding.
Easy 6-8 Golf, turn right, heading 020 degrees.
39 Foxtrot.
That's 020 degrees, 6 Golf.
Thompson 84 Yankee, are you able to turn or have you gone?
84 Yankee, we're off runway.
Thompson 84 Yankee, roger, that's all copied. East flight 39 Foxtrot, Newcastle Tower, go around, say again, go around, climb straight ahead, 2,500 feet.
Go around, it's flight 39 Foxtrot.
East flight 39 Foxtrot, climb straight ahead to 5,000 feet.
Roger, straight ahead, altitude 5,000 feet is flight 39 Foxtrot.
39 Foxtrot, when coming in contact, radar 124375.
124375 is flight 39 Foxtrot.
That's copied, 6 Golf.
Flight 39 Foxtrot.
Tower Rescue 1.
Turn around, climbing altitude 5,000
Rescue 1, Tower, report your position.
East flight 39 Foxtrot, roger, what are your intentions, sir?
Rescue 1, roger, plus
would like to
time to proceed up to Delta 1 by the taxiway
Roger, 1
Delta.
ready, right turn,
Delta 1.
Tango Delta, climb
Line 2,
altitude
Charlie Tango,
5,000
taxi
feet.
stand 1-2.
Navigation Tango Delta, climb altitude 5,000 feet is flight 39 Foxtrot.
Vehicles on the main airfield, just give way please to the aircraft
Tower,
vacating the
easy,
Delta
6 Golf.
taxiway to proceed on the
Take off, hello,
stand.
sir.
We'd like to make a diversion to
That's Rescue Leader on the main airfield, roger, giving way to the aircraft.
Rescue leader, if you want to just make a 180 there, get out to the runway at Bravo and proceed down the runway at Bravo.
Roger, copy that, making the 180 through Bravo. Tower Ranger, look at Alpha 2, like the end of the runway.
Ranger, roger, down to the runway at Alpha 2.
Ranger at the runway at Alpha 2.
Thompson 84 Yankee, there are appliances about to enter the runway up at Delta 1 to assist you. You can contact Newcastle Fire 121.6.
116, Thompson 8, wait. Tower Rescue 2.
Rescue 2, tower pass message.
Rescue 2, position 1-8, request proceed down to Delta 1 with the other appliances, over.
Rescue 2, roger, proceed via taxiway at Delta to enter the runway at Delta 1.
Tower Rescue 1's in attendance. Rescue 1 proceeding to down Delta taxiway at Delta 1.
Rescue 1, roger.
Police flight 39 Foxtrot, not sure if we checked in with you.
39 Foxtrot, yeah, you are with me, sir, and it's still in navigation Tango Delta, maintain 5,000, we're just negotiating with Durham Tees.
Roger, that's copied, thanks. We're maintaining 5,000 feet and heading towards Tango Delta. It's fine, 39 Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, you can change coordinates, 7054.
70.
Tower Rescue Leader, fire service to attendant. Because he's caught the pilot, he's left the end of the runway. going past position onto the grassed area. I'll make further contact and let you know.
Rescue leader Roger, just confirm there is 196 souls on board if you haven't already spoke to the crew for that. 196 souls on board.
Roger, 196 souls on board. Rescue leader, I'll declare this as a ground incident.
Declare there's an aircraft accident and I'll give you a call when the South RVP is manned.
Roger, aircraft accident, roger that.
Continue now with T-side on 118.850.
118.850 is flight...
Rescue 2 in attendance.
Rescue 2, Roger.
Hi, good evening, it's flight 39 Foxtrot, South 2000, we're direct to the beacon. We've got information whiskey, QNH 1010. Left 15 gives us a heading of 140, it's flight 39 Foxtrot.
Rescue leader.
Rescue leader, pass message.
Yeah, I imagine we're going to need coaches down here and aircraft steps to get the passengers off. I've just spoke to the pilot. I don't think many of the passengers are aware that they're actually off the runway. But we need the steps, coaches, and the IMC activated as well, please.
Rescue leader, Roger.
Golf, climb flight level 160.
Flight level 160, easy 68 Golf.
Easy 68 Golf, you can continue now on the heading and continue with Scottish on 124.5.
Rescue leader.
Rescue leader, pass message.
I've just got an update from our guys on the ground here. He seems to be still on the hard standing, but only just. There's no damage to the undercarriage, but it's going to be very, very difficult to get a tug positioned around there. But it seems to be still actually on the hard standing. I'll keep you updated.
Rescue leader, Roger, that's all. Copy, thank you.
Easy 68 Golf, climbing flight level 160, radar heading 330 degrees. 24 Edinburgh, thank you. 68 Golf.
Newcastle radar, good evening, it's Chanix 014 Sierra.
Chanix 014 Sierra, Newcastle.
Hello, good evening, sir. We're routing on burn to Natseb, and I understand that the airport is going to be closed completely for the night.
Chanix X-ray, we've had a 737 land and go off the end of the runway. We're not totally certain whether we're going to be able to move it or not, but at the moment it's delay not determined. So, we're not totally certain whether it's actually gone off the end of the runway.
We're going to take the snowblower onto the Echo taxiway for the RV pre-point, if that's all right with you.
Snowblower, Roger, that's all copied, thanks.
No, it'll be no further than the Golden Point.
Roger, copied.
Thompson Yankee.
Thompson Airport, Yankee, pass message.
Is the plan to get coaches out to the aircraft and disembark the passengers from here?
Thompson Airport, Yankee, airfirm, we're just making some calls now, and there'll be some coaches with you as soon as we can get them down there. And there'll also be some steps and so on and so forth to get the passengers disembarked.
Okay, that's great, thanks so much.
D53 Delta.
D53 Delta, pass message.
Just so we can make some plans, could you see airfield closed?
D53 Delta, affirmative, the airfield at the moment is closed. There is an aircraft that is stuck at the far end of runway 07, and obviously it's not long happened. We're just trying to ascertain the extent of how long it will be there for. If you just bear with us, we'll obviously keep you advised when we can.
Okay, we'll listen now. Thanks very much.
Tower from Snow Leader.
Snow Leader, pass message.
Position at Foxtrot, likely cross the runway to go to Delta 8, rendezvous with airside ops.
Snow Leader, Roger, fire Foxtrot, you can cross the runway and report the getting.
Cross the runway and report the...
Sol Chanix 014 Sierra. Sol Chanix 014 Sierra.
014 Sierra.
Yes, sir, for the time being, if available to us, we'd like to take up the hold, and then once I'm overhead, I can try again for the company.
Chanix 014 Sierra, Roger, what level are we looking at?
What is available, sir?
I can give you up to 150, sir. 150 is the level I can give up to that level.
We can maintain 150, Chanix 014 Sierra.
1014 Sierra, Roger, navigation November Tango, take the hold 150.